Good evening. So today I will be demonstrating on a small project that has been given to me a few days back. This is based on employee task management system. So according to this task, two roles will be there. One is manager, another will be the employee. The manager has to assign certain tasks to the employees, and there will be certain limitations as well, which I will be discussing one by one. So coming back to the project directory, so this is the project. The project name is employee task, and this is how it looks like. These are the app names, comment, account, and the task app. And this is the static where all the JavaScript files are there, where Ajax has been implemented. And this is template where all the static files or the HTML files are there. Now, if I open the database, so database Postgres has been implemented over here, and the database, the database name is employee app that has been configured in the Django settings. If I come back to this project folder and then the settings, this is where I have configured the Postgres in the name of employee app. So now, so in this table, I can show you these are the certain tables that has been generated. So right now, if I scroll down, if I see over here, um, total 3 managers has been registered and rest all are employees. Now, if I run my project with Python manage.py run server. Okay, so this is how the project, this was already open. Okay, let's close it. This is how it looks like. This is the home page and it's showing welcome to the employee task management. Now, for example, like if I want to open any of the manager's dashboard, for example, let's pick up over here name Peter Parker. So Peter Parker has the email ID peter@gmail.com. So if I open it and I log in, peter@gmail.com, and the password, basically this is a default password that has already been given while registration. So this is how it looks like. If I log in, uh, it'll take some time. So this is how the manager's dashboard looks like. And as you can see, as soon as I logged in, certain new tabs has been generated over here in the navbar. And so this is the dashboard, which is this one. And this is the employee and the tasks tab. If I come over employees and if I come to the all employees, these are the employees details that can be accessed by the manager. Well, this is the tab which is accessible to the manager's dashboard only. This is not accessible to any employee's dashboard. So all the managers can see the employee details, and also like not even the current manager's dashboard, but suppose this is Peter's dashboard. So right now, Peter hasn't created anything, but still we can see the other employees as well, which has been assigned by different other managers. So this is accessible to all the employees, all the managers. Now, if I come to the top employees, well, over here it's showing no employees have completed more than 3 tasks this month. So this is the top employees, means the employees who have completed tasks more than 3 tasks in the current month. That employee details will be popped out over here. Right now, if I come to the all employees, as you can see, this is the status bar where the each employee's progress will be shown over here. So basically, three status are there. One is completed, in progress, and pending. So by default, pending will be generated, and rest, if the employee do any updation, then it will be generated to in progress or completed. So as you can see, Ruby Granger has completed two task, that's why it's showing completed. So this is completely on the employees uh, dashboard. Now next come to the task. This is the task list. So as you can see over here, Peter Parker hasn't assigned any task, hasn't created any tasks yet. That's why it's showing blank over here. And so if I come back to the create list, and let's say if I start assigning to anybody else, for example, if I name a task like hospital management system, and okay, these are certain validation that I've given. The description cannot be blank. In the email also, if I over here, it will also show that email cannot be blank. So description, I have to define, suppose this is a project. Suppose if I write up to this, okay, so this is basically, okay. So it's saying description must be at least 10 characters long. So description has to be at least 10 characters. So if I'm writing this is a small project, I'm writing it as a demo purpose. And since it hasn't been assigned to any employee yet and the employer hasn't started working on the task, so that's why by default the status will be shown pending. But other status is also there, which will be updated by the employee itself. Next, there is employee. So I have to give any existing employee only. If I write any arbitrary employee, for example, abc@gmail.com, and if I hit enter, if I do add, it will see show not a registered email ID. So obviously I have to give a certain registered one. Suppose if I give Ruby, who is a registered email, so it will say that the email must end with @gmail.com. So I have to write it here @gmail.com. So after filling every form, you can see this ad is right now. If I click here, it is, for example, if I omit this one, and still there is some validation that has to be given. So if I click on the ad, this ad button is not active right now, it's disabled. So I have to fill the form with proper validation. Then only this add button will be activated. And now if I hit enter add, so you can see the one row will be filled up and everything is done asynchronously. As you can see, the page is not getting reloaded. For example, like if I hit the edit button, you can see as soon as I click on the edit button, this form got filled up with this existing one and the page hasn't been reloaded yet. So I can change. So right now it is assigned to Ruby Granger. I can change it to someone else. For example, if I change to, again, I'm giving an existing only, lily@gmail.com. And if I do add, so it's changed to Lily Potter. So this is how we can do. I can also delete it. So you can see program deleted successfully asynchronously. The page hasn't been reloaded. So this is how I have done it. So again, if I write it from the beginning, hospital management system, this is a small project. Uh, okay, painting, and this is lily@gmail.com. And now if I do add, okay, it's showing error. This is a small project. And now if I do Lily, and if I hit the add button, okay, so the page got this row got filled up without any page reloading. Now I can also do one more thing. I can give comment as well. If I go to the comment section, right now Peter hasn't given any comment. So if I write this needs to be completed within next month, then if I hit the add button, so as you can see, this needs to be completed within next month, along with the time has been generated over here. So this is also has been done asynchronously. Whenever I'm hitting the add button, this is has been filled up asynchronously. Okay, this is one of the tasks. So now if I come to the all employees, as you can see, Peter Parker, now the Peter Parker has also been assigned. So number of tasks has been uh, increased to 9. Now, if I come to the all list, so as you can see, this is the portal, this is the bar, and this is the title. Sorry, I mean, this is the page where only the manager who have created its own assignments who have that will only be visible. So in this page, Peter cannot see other employees' tasks assignment. Only the assignment that has been assigned by Peter only, the current logged in manager, that those assignments will be shown over here. And right now, so this is all about, um, okay. Now let's register some more employee. For example, so I have to log out again. And let's come to the register button, register page. So this is how the register pages look like. Here also I've given certain validations. So suppose if this is remain blank, so it will show first name cannot be blank, last name cannot be blank. Username also, if I kept blank, it will show username cannot be blank. If I, this one also be cannot be blank. So since all these letters have been given by default, that's why it's showing. Password is also given by default. That's why it was showing that it is blank. Okay, so now if I write over here some another name like uh, Raj Sharma, username, let's say Raj123, email raj@gmail.com, and designation will be, for example, like intern, and date of join is 2025 02 05. And the password, let's say if I give any arbitrary password, now the password needs to be same. The role will be employee. So now if I, okay, because the password was not matching, that's why this register button did not, uh, was not activated. So now if I hit the register button, it will show registration successful, and it will automatically redirect to the URL page. So now if I have to write the email, and this will be if I log in. So Raj has successfully logged in as an employee. This is how the uh, employee dashboard will look like. And if I go to the employee tasks list right now, since Raj hasn't been assigned to certain tasks, so that's why it's showing. Um, blank, nothing is showing over here. So this is how the employees dashboard looks like. Now, if I log out, and for example, suppose if I log into any employees, sorry, managers dashboard, if I log in, suppose Peter wants to assign certain tasks to Raj, who is a new employee over here as an intern. So Peter has to come over here, create task. And right now, Peter has only assigned it to Lily Potter. So suppose the same task, hospital management system, Peter wants to assign it to the description. Let's the description also keep it same. It will pending and it will be assigned to Raj. Now, if I hit add, so now this task Peter can be able to see. Okay, before going back to the Raj will be able to see. Now, before going back to the Raj Sharma's dashboard, I want to show one more thing. There is certain limitation to the manager's assignment is that manager cannot assign uh, more than manager cannot assign number of tasks to the same user more than 5 times. So Peter has already assigned one task to Raj Sharma. Let's, for example, for a testing purpose, for example, like if I write event app, uh, and let's just copy the same description only. I'll be deleting everything. This is, I'm showing it for the testing purpose. Uh, and if it's painting, and the email is again raj@gmail.com. So you can see another has been created. For example, let's give another one. To do app. This is also a small project. Right now, I'm just filling an arbitrary name. So, so right now, as you can see, Raj has been assigned 3 tasks simultaneously by Peter Parker, the same manager. Uh, let's give 2 more, like employee management system. This is also a small project, and the status is pending. And again to the same raj@gmail.com. So right now, 1, 2, 3, 4 assignment has been assigned to Raj. Let's give another service provider. Service provider app. Um, the status is pending, and again to the same. So right now, as you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tasks has been assigned to Raj Sharma by Peter Parker. Let's try to give more, like banking system. Banking system status is pending, and raj@gmail.com. Okay. So if I click on add, you can see you cannot assign tasks to same employee more than 5 times. So this is another limitation that a manager need to be concerned about, that a manager cannot assign more than 5 tasks uh, to the same employee. Again, suppose if I hit enter, you can see you cannot assign tasks to the same employee more than 5 times. Also, there is another limitation is that the same title, same task cannot be assigned to the same employee more than one. For example, like banking system. Okay, since this has already been done, let's go to the Lily Potter. So let's go to Lily and give it the same name again. So Lily Potter has already been assigned in the hospital management system. And again, this has been assigning. Um, okay, now in this case, if I do same title cannot be allotted to the same employee twice. Since Lily has already been assigned with the same task, though okay, since lead and also the manager is also same. So Peter has already assigned Lily this same task before also. That's why it's showing. But had it been any other manager, not Peter, then it would have been the same. But since the manager is also same, the task is also same, it has been given before also. It's showing whenever I'm going to the ad, same title cannot be allotted to the same employee twice. So these are certain limitations that has to be concerned by the employee. Okay. Now if I come back to Raj portal, let's log out. And now if I come back to the Raj portal and okay, so I provide the valid password. So welcome to the large employee large portal. Now if I come to the task employment, okay. This is right now you can see total five tasks has been assigned by Peter Parker. Now the employee has now this is the pending. Right now the status is showing pending over here. So for example, let's say Peter has Raj has started his work and now for example he has started doing hospital management system and now he is in the middle of it, so he can update his status to progress. Now if I hit the progress, there are two button are there, one is complete, another is progress. So if I hit the progress button, as you can see hospital management system has been uh, updated to in progress. Suppose if I want to do complete, it will get completed. Okay. For example, in a service provider, for example, let's say Peter Parker has is also in progress. So if I click on the pending, so service provider has been upgraded to the in progress one. So these are the things that an employee can do. It's compulsory to do, then only the manager will be able to see their progress. Now, if I log out and come to Peter's dashboard, and if I see the task list, so you can see here Raj Sharma. Uh, you can see the update that Raj had done in his portal that has been that is successfully shown here in Peter's dashboard as well. Okay, so the reason is because this updating has been successfully, this change has been successfully updated in the database as well. And from there, the data has been fetched and shown over here. That's why even if it is, I mean, manager's dashboard, or even if I come to the all employees as well, over here also you can see some of this Raj is showing completed. Okay. Here is another twist is there. As I explained before also, in the top employees, right now you can see no employees have completed more than 3 tasks in this month. Because if I come over here, you can see none of them have completed a task more than 3 times in the current month. So for example, the current month is November now. So none of them has completed any task more than one. If I talk about Ruby Granger, Ruby Granger has completed the task thrice, but not more than that. Um, let's um, let's log into Ruby's dashboard. I log in. And if I come to the task list, okay, so there is one task which is in progress, and that has been assigned by Kate Sharma. So now if I do this complete, if I suppose Ruby has completed the task and she wants to upgrade it to complete. So if I hit the complete button, so as you can see, this task has been completed. Now if I log out and come to any, I have to just log in into manager's dashboard. So before I was logging into Peter's dashboard, let's take another manager's dashboard like Kate. So over here also, if I log in, this is the this is the bar that can be visible to any of the managers. It has to be manager's dashboard. So this will be visible to all the managers. So if I come to the all employees, you can see Ruby Granger has completed 3, and there is another which has been updated right now. You can see before it was 3 total tasks was there. Now um, sorry, total 14 was there. Since Ruby has updated to completed, so it is showing right now. So total 4 has been there. Now if I come to the top employees, there it is. You can see now among the top employees, Ruby is one of them. I mean, Ruby is the only one who is falling under top employees because she has completed more than 3 tasks in the current month, and none of them has done. So, for example, suppose this, so that's why Ruby's details is showing the employee name, email, the designation, and the total completed task. Let's do for any other. Let's do for the. Sorry. Okay. Let's do for Raj Sharma, who is an intern now. Let's log out and come to the Raj portal, and the password is different for Raj. So let's do one thing. If I want to make Raj falling under the top employees list, I have to make everything as complete. So let's complete every task. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 4 is maximum. So now if I log out and go inside any word, let's log into Kate's portal only, as this is accessible by everyone. Now if I come to all employees, you can see Raj 1, then there is 2, 3, and 4. So now if I come to the top employees, okay, now you can see Raj Sharma also has been uh, falling under top employees list with total completed tasks 4, and the designation is intern. So this is all about the employees and all. And one more thing is okay, one more thing is, so as I said, there is a comment section. So if I come to the comment, now these comments can only be visible for this particular particular title. Okay, for example, in this event management, Kate Sharma has commented. These are the some comments that has been given along with the date. So it was given on November 7. Okay. But as you can see, if I open this one over here under to do title, under to do list or to do app, we can say over here no comment is given. So if I write this is a good task. So this will be, if I do add, now you can see the message has been popped up with current time and date and without any page reload since Ajax is implemented over here. So this is one of the things that I've implemented here. And one more thing is that, for example, um, if you see Kate Sharma, okay, Kate Sharma has assigned Deepa Sarkar certain task again. Now, if I come to, for example, if I log out and log into deepa@gmail.com, and if I log in, I'm not giving the password because this is the default password that has been already given. That's why I'm not giving the password different uh, time. If I come to the task list, you can see here Deepa has been assigned tasks, one by Kate Sharma, another is Anthony Bailey. Okay. Suppose suppose Kate wants to delete this title. Let's see what will happen if I log out and come back to Kate's dashboard. I log in again. I have to come to the create task. So over here, as you can see, to do. Now, this one, Kate wants to delete it. So if I delete, as you can see, there is no task called to do assigned by Kate, right? As you can see, the comments section was also gone, right? So now if I come to Deepa's dashboard again, Deepa got two assignment, right? One by Kate Sharma, and other was by some other else. Okay. So now you can see since the title has been removed, so the related title, the title assigned with some certain employees that also has been deleted. That record has been deleted, not the user. So before Deepa had two assignments, one by Kate Sharma, and other was this Anthony Bailey. Since Kate Sharma has deleted the to-do project. That's why all the user records or assignments been assigned to certain employee, those records has been deleted. So right now, Deepa has only one uh, assignment only. Okay. And another worst thing is the middleware. So this I forgot to show in the beginning is that whenever the user will be login or anyone will be open the portal, these will be come to the picture. One is a timestamp. Who has logged in? For example, right now it's Deepa and the current path, which is task employment. See, if I open the dashboard here, this is my current URL and the current user, the portal that I'm logged in into is Deepa and the time. And also the staff or manager. Well, this is showing because Deepa is not a staff or neither a manager. She's an employee. That's why it's showing access denied. Well, I haven't printed it. I would have shown in the web page as well, but if I been done that, so all the time it would be shown over here. That's why I have shown in the terminal. And this is called this is due to the middleware, the custom middleware that I have implemented over here inside the project folder. This is the middleware, and this is a custom middleware where I have written the logic, and this middleware class has been configured inside the settings.py inside the middleware list. This is the one where I have called the custom middleware class. So this is all about I try to do all the things that has been shown in the assignment that was given to me. And there is also the DRF part is also there. This what I have shown is all of the front end part. The DRF is also there. Uh, I have implemented the class-based view and the function-based view both. If I come to the uh, task app where all the tasks, and this is all about the function-based view for the Ajax. And this is the task-based view where I have done all the I have used model view set over here. And these are the certain methods which has been provided in the DRF part. So this is all about this project. Thank you.